Asabikeshii went up the water spout. Asabikeshii knows what it's all about. Asabikeshii got fortune and fame, and Asabikeshii was never quite the same. Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language. And you know what else? Culture. Yeah, so I brought in my little friend here. Asabikeshii. He's a spider. Yeah, he's a beautiful one. And let's see, asabikeshii. What can I say about my friend? Well, you know, in the Anishinaabe way, asabikeshii is a trickster. He teaches us lessons. And you're not just supposed to squash him when he's in the bathroom. You should catch him and take him outside. They say if you kill a spider, it's bad luck. Eh? But you know, I think if you kill anything, it's kind of bad luck. It's just it's not our way. So yeah, I mean, if you're squeamish around these little guys, you know, get somebody to help you out. Go catch it and take it outside. Yeah. Well, that's all I have for today. Asabikeshii. Spider. Itsy bitsy asabikeshii. Okay, well, hey, you've been watching NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, that's all I have for today. I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Owa. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. What are you talking about? You were in that microwave for like 2 seconds. I don't think it works that way. But I'm gonna try it anyway, okay?